folks, and welcome to the channel. Today we are riding on the GSXR 1000R and we are going to be doing a little bit of a road trip. We're heading down to Loomies Cafe and going to see what's kicking down at the Loomies Motor Cafe. See if we can see any cool rides or what's happening, and it's a good opportunity for me to get more familiar with a bike, also for me to build up some stamina in regards to riding this machine, because this new seating position is not my usual type of ergonomics, so I am getting used to it and getting more and more comfortable with it the more I ride. But it's good to get some practice on it. It will mean that I'm less tired on my track days, etc., etc. So yeah, just figured why not go spend some time at the good old Loomies. Oh yeah. Time to open her up a bit. Love it. Alrighty, well, we've got some miles ahead of us, so I'm going to switch you off now, and I will switch it back on if I see something interesting, or if we get closer to Loomies and go from there. The biker? No. Alrighty. See yous in a bit. I'm a few minutes in, and so far comfort is actually quite high, I have to say. I'm slowly getting used to the ergonomics, and also just working on supporting myself a little bit more with my knees. Bit of vibiness through the bars, which I think after 100 miles or so would probably start to get your hands a little bit numb, but I think as it stands right now for this short trip, I'm going to be fine. So yeah, so far touring ability seems to be right up there with, I suppose, really any other sport bike. Should have ourselves a little BMW dealership right up here, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah. Stormer. Very nice. Oh wow, look at that. That field. I don't think you can even see it, but oh, these fields here are just so beautiful. These massive rolling fields on hillsides, and then these giant oak trees just dotted about. It's just so beautiful. It's amazing, this bit of countryside. If you've never been down this way towards Loomies Cafe, you should absolutely pay it a visit. because not only is the cafe nice and lots of friendly bikers there, you also get the opportunity to ride some of these awesome roads as well. So highly recommend that you pay it a visit and experience it at least once in your life. Look at that. Look at that view. Beautimous. Very, very beautimous. Stop up here, get some petrol, pop into Loomies for a bit, check out the local bike scene, see what all they got, and then yeah, we'll go from there. Let's go for a little ride and enjoy some of the local roads, and then we will start heading back. Alrighty. I really like just cruising on this bike. You can kind of get yourself caught up a little bit of wind, catch your chest, take a little bit of weight off you. It's really pleasant. I really enjoy this. This has been the nicest ride going down a stretch of 70-mile-an-hour highway that I've had in a long time on a motorcycle. It's just really pleasant. Well done, Beasty. Well done.